Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to present our research and style analysis of occupational hazard risks using irradiation and JSM method, a case study asbestos demolition in airport Menteng Pulo. In the background, asbestos is a naturally occurring silicate material, a mineral that is resistant to heat chemical. However, when inhaled, asbestos fiber pose severe health risks such as mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis. And the OGZ or OGS Dutch Foundation initiated the removal asbestos containing the roofing material from its honorary cemetery in Kadin Menteng Pulo in Jakarta. And given the high level of occupational hazard in asbestos elimination, systematic risk assessment and control approach is crucial. The study apply two methodologies. Number one is HIRA-DC and job safety analysis. For research objective, number one is for to identify potential hazard during asbestos roof demolition activity. Number two, to assess the risk level based on likelihood and severity. And number three is to establish effective control measure to minimize full questionable risk. For methodologies, we start confined observation. Next step, we literature review. Next step, takes identification with HIRA-DC method. Next, next step, probability and impact analysis. Next, risk assessment. Next, identify uh, risk control for using for JSON method. Next, analysis and conclusion. This is a table for severity and likelihood. For hazard identification, for removal asbestos is activity category is three activity. Number one is mobilization of work equipment. Number two is equipment and supplies preparation, and last but not least, cleaning activity. For mobilization of equipment, is hazard description is mechanical, dust, ergonomic, and chemical uh, installation. For assessment, is it likelihood X severity. For value score is risk middle, and equipment and supply preparation for activity number one, likelihood X severity is value score is middle, and cleaning activity activity number one is working time management use PPE. Likelihood X severity value score is middle to high, and for the table risk control, category mobilization of work equipment is number one is activity. So to uh, reduce risk assessment for recommendation. Number one activity training and daily checkup and regular cycle maintenance and daily medical checkup. Is a score value is a middle. So priority for GSA is number two. And equipment in category equipment and supplies preparation, number one activity for recommendation Risk control is monitoring the implementation of work procedure and daily routine inspection. Uh, for reduce score number 4, low to middle, is priority number 2, and for category cleaning activity, for activity number 1 is for recommendation monitoring the implementation of work procedure and daily routine inspection. Uh, have the score low to middle with the priority is number 1 for DSM method. For DSM method, my name is Abimelian for team leader and Ismail Dorn for team member and Alice Nabarga for facilitator. For job step hazard and control, we check one activity for priority number 1 is we like priority number 1 for DSR method. In the result, HERA-DC finding 7 activity identified within the medium to high risk category, and 1 activity classified as middle risk, 3 activity with low to middle risk, and 3 activity with low risk. And just finding for major risks we identified with the high risk involvement. One activity of mobilizing of rock equipment, preparation of material and training activity. For the conclusion, number 1, an activity high risk category after applying the GSA method. Both HERA-DC and GSA proved to be effective approach in the reduced risk level to medium or low categories. And last but not least, the implementation of occupational health and safety procedure took this method successfully create a safer working environment for asbestos demolition. And for recommendation in this paper, additional recommendation include the adoption of the 5S methodology: sort, setting, order, sign, and standard, and sustain for continuous monitoring of PPE and work procedure. Okay. Uh, thank you very much for your attention. I welcome any question or further discussion.